The White House promised not to meddle with the Fed, but insisted they have a plan to beat inflation. Biden further emphasized that these policies will help the U.S. with them. He insisted we can transition from recovery to stable, steady growth and bring down inflation without giving up all the historic gains. During this transition, growth will look different. We will likely see fewer record job creation numbers. He said that this won't be cause for concern, but didn't explain further. His plan has 3 steps. The first is to leave the Federal Reserve alone, to do this job in accordance with how it is designed. Second is to mitigate the damage of the Russian sanctions. Given that the Ukraine-Russian war is pushing oil prices up, Biden just led the largest release from global oil reserves in history. He added some pressure to Congress by asking them to pass the clean energy tax credits and investments that he proposed. If successful, it will cut on average a family's annual utility bill by $500 and accelerate our transition from energy produced by autocrats. Biden also proposed fixing the cost of everyday goods by fixing broken supply chains, improving infrastructure, and cracking down on the exorbitant fees that foreign ocean freight companies charge to move products. He also put pressure on Congress to pass 2 important bills. One reduces the price of prescription drugs by giving Medicare the power to negotiate with pharmaceutical companies and capping the cost of insulin. The second lowers the cost of child and elder care to help parents get back to work. The third step is to keep reducing the federal deficit, which will help ease price pressures. How? By making common sense reforms to the tax code. He proposed that the IRS should have the resources to collect taxes that Americans already owe. Biden insisted that this meeting with Jerome Powell was not influence the Fed to further his agenda. It was to discuss his proposals. It is unclear what came out of that meeting, but it is clear that we have a long way to go for economic recovery. Tell me how you think this will play out. This has been Natalie Denise for Noble Gold Investments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also push the notifications bell in order to stay up to date on news and updates.